Hello? Yeah. Oh, I agree. Definitely. It's the time to talk about that. All right. I'll talk to you later. Bye. In this daily drop, I'm going to talk about where this channel is going and what content I'm going to be focusing on. So let's go. Okay, everybody. If you are new to the channel, my name is Jem Schofield, and this is the C47. It is both a production company and an educational brand. And what I do here is focus on teaching the tech and craft of video production, filmmaking, content creation, anything that has to do with telling stories or creating a call to action with images, whether they're still or moving. And that's what I do. And if you're somebody who is not new to the channel, you may have noticed that things are starting to shift a little bit. I just came back from an almost 1-month trip, which was primarily for family. And I knew that during that trip, while I was going to continue to create content, a big part of my focus was going to be on looking at and trying to figure out what it is that I'm going to be doing going forward professionally, and also how that might relate to the content that is on this channel. So episode 496 of the Daily Drop right now, that's a lot of episodes. I'm about to hit at the end of this week 500 episodes, and I think it is time for there to be a shift so that I can focus on the things that I'm really interested in, and hopefully those are things that some of you are interested in, maybe even people who are not traditionally coming to this channel. So if you're somebody who is in content creation, storytelling, filmmaking, who is trying to figure out how generative AI is going to fit into the things that you're doing or not, but you want to sort of explore what this is all about, then hopefully the content that I'm going to be creating in the future is going to help you with that. And again, I'll still be talking about cameras and lights and traditional filmmaking and video production, but there's going to be a large focus on generative AI, and very specifically in terms of generative AI as it relates to video production. I'm a Gen Xer. So we are arguably the generation that started analog and then wound up in our formative years digital. So we bridge that gap. We understand, rotary dial and touch tone phones, but we also understand, and we're part of the whole transition from when we went from 8-track and regular cassettes to CDs, from going to the movie theater to having Betamax and VHS, and then eventually laser discs. Not many people had those. And we are the video game generation, not in the way later generations were, but we really were the first video game generation. Personal computers in our houses, not just at work in big server rooms. And there's so many things that we have experienced going from analog to digital that honestly, it's been fun. And I'm an 80s kid. So yes, there's some references here to that. Whether or not this set stays this way, I don't know. But I think the idea is for this channel to be more conversational. It's more of a train of thought. And I've set things up, at least for now, I'm going to show you, so that this analog to digital is now analog to digital to AI. That's what we're calling it. It's not always the right label, in my opinion, but what I'm going to be focusing on and learning about and teaching you about is generative AI. And again, mostly focused on video. So the way I have it set up right now, I've got this shot right here. I've got my Stream Deck. I've got a slightly tighter shot when I need to really get something across. That's baloney, but you know what I mean. And then a bunch of picture-in-pictures. So I've got this setup right here where you're seeing me full screen with a picture-in-picture. And then I've set it up basically so that I can take you through what it is that I'm working on with screen sharing, so you can see that. And then I can easily switch that over to full screen so that you can see that. And then if you want to see my ugly mug, then there's times where, or even if you don't, I may bring this up so that I can talk about something that I'm doing while I'm doing it. So that's basically the deal. I think you'll probably see this view a lot. And what I'm going to be doing is in the next episode, and as we lead into sort of the maybe more in-depth content that I'm going to be creating, that my guess is most likely not going to be daily. I think it's going to shift to a weekly type of format so I can dig in a little bit more, is just sort of getting into what all of this stuff is. I mean, I started originally with Midjourney a long time ago, dabbling with that, which was, a lot of text to image generation. They now have video capabilities in their solution. And as time has gone on, things like Runway and Sora and VO3, which is part of Google's whole Flow Studio type of thing, and a lot of other models like Kling have come out. There's so many things out there right now that it is kind of mind-blowing in terms of how much stuff exists. So I want to sift through that, and I'm in the middle of making decisions in terms of what solutions I want to financially invest in right now. And because I'm having conversations now with actual clients about generative AI and what that is and what it might mean for some of the work that I may and other people may produce, I think it's a good time to make this shift. So again, still going to talk about traditional filmmaking, video production, gear, but the core focus right now is, because I need to do it and I'm interested in doing it, is figuring out Gen AI, specifically with video. So if that's something that you're interested in, then hang around. It's going to be probably longer form a lot of the time. It's going to be watching things as they happen. And hopefully there's going to be good engagement with you, the audience, and this audience grows, because I think this is an area that many of us are trying to figure out, but it's very hard to do that if you're just on an island by yourself. So hopefully that all works out. Don't forget to, and I'll see you on the next episode of The Daily Drop.